We've organized shared reading into 3 levels: Kinder to Grade 1, Grade 1 to Grade 2, and Grade 2 to Grade 3. Let's take a look at these terrific resources. The shared reading collection contains fiction and nonfiction titles with engaging text, illustrations, or photographs, specifically designed for shared reading. We offer a projectable book for instruction to make it easier to present shared reading lessons to students. The projectable book contains built-in tools for highlighting, underlining, framing, and more to motivate students with interactive ways to engage with the content. Use full screen mode to make it easier for students in the back of the room to see. The easy-to-follow 5-day shared reading lesson plans focus on a variety of literary and foundational skills, which are important components of the Common Core state standards. In addition, connecting to the Common Core is straightforward and trouble-free, with the nonfiction book lessons' emphasis on text features and all shared reading lessons' inclusion of text-dependent questions, as well as opportunities for students to ask and answer their own questions about the text. You can model what a close read looks like with every shared reading lesson. Optionally, appealing characters in the projectable book with prompts facilitate modeling through skill questions and tasks on each page. Each character performs a specific, skill-related role. The monkey helps with reading strategies and comprehension skills, the bat with phonological awareness and phonics, the moth with nonfiction text features, and so on. Student printable books provide the opportunity for extending reading practice beyond the shared reading lesson. Home connections, included on the back cover of every student book, suggest clear activities for students and parents to do together. Shared writing activities in each lesson connect to an important skill taught with each book. Students can practice important writing skills and respond to what they've read. Shared writing activities give you added support for the writing component of your balanced literacy block.